Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing VS Code and a supported Python runtime. Make sure Python version returns 3.8 or newer. Once done, install the Python extension and the Jupyter extension from Extensions. These provide kernels and notebook UI. Next, open or create a project folder and use Command Palette to create a new Jupyter Notebook file. IPNB. This gets you a notebook document and the kernel selector at the top so you can connect code cells to an environment immediately. Now pick the correct kernel from the notebook toolbar so your cells run in the intended environment. This is crucial for package access and reproducibility. You can run individual cells with run cell or use run above and run below for block execution. Watch output inline and variable state in the variables pane. If a package is missing, open the integrated terminal, activate the same environment, and pip install or conda install the package so subsequent cells can import it without errors. Finish by saving your IPNB file and exporting if you need a shareable HTML or a Py script. Use export from the notebook toolbar. Once done, leverage the interactive window when you prefer script-style development while keeping notebook outputs. If the kernel stops or cells error, restart the kernel first, confirm the interpreter path and environment variables, and reinstall the Jupyter or Python extension if needed. These steps resolve most connectivity and package issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.